Hi friends, welcome to Suja Susan Terrace Garden. Today I would like to show you another indoor plant, that is Coleus plant. Coleus plant is a colorful foliage plant. This plant should be placed in indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Regarding watering, keep the soil consistently moist. Water when the top inch of soil feels slightly dry. Ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Use well draining soil rich in organic matter. I used kitchen waste compost and garden soil. I have not used any fertilizer for this plant. This plant is very easy to grow. Regarding pruning, pinch back the growing tips regularly to encourage bushier growth. There are many colorful varieties of coleus available in the market. Coleus consists of beautiful leaves with different color varieties. It has square stems and opposite leaves. Regarding propagation, coleus plants are easily propagated from cuttings. Take stem cuttings, remove lower leaves, and place them in water, or you can also place them in soil and root them. They create a new one with beautiful, colorful new plants. Coleus is a colorful foliage. It is a wonderful low maintenance plant that adds color to our house. I wish that you would also grow this colorful coleus plant. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a joyful gardening.